Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add background music to a video in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I will just export this footage and I want to just add a background music. So as you can see in this box, you will just have to double tap, and after you will be just selecting the music which you want for the background. So just open it once you will be just selected, and now you will be just hold it and put in the end. And as you can see, you will just tap on this erase tool and just select it from this and this tab, and you will be just have to here. So now you will be see I will be just add a music from my desktop. So in this way you will just have to add background music to a video in Premiere Pro. So that's it. Thank you.